WordPress just announced Telex AI at WordCamp US 2025. On the surface, it looks like any other AI website builder, but zoom out and it signals three big shifts that are about to smack web designers right in the face. Before, if I wanted a slider or a gallery on WordPress, I had to install a plugin. Slider revolution. Meta slider, take your pick. Now, I just tell Telex to build me an image gallery, and it does it instantly. It even hooks into Unsplash and Pexels so I can drop in hundreds of free images right away. That's plugin level functionality, gone, which means simple, single-purpose plugins are finished. If Telex can spin up a gallery, a slider, or a testimonial block in seconds, plugins like Slider Revolution can't just sell features anymore. Their future is design quality, visual systems, or advanced tools that AI can't yet copy. Then I asked Telex for a pricing table. Normally, I'd be digging through easy pricing tables or tweaking CSS until it looked right. Telex generated one instantly. Editable text, editable colors, all inside the editor. On tablet, it looked fine. On mobile, the whole thing vanished. That's today, but give it a few stable releases and responsiveness won't be an upsell anymore. Beginners will just click, make this mobile friendly, and it'll work. Responsiveness goes from premium service to baseline expectation, which means web designers can't compete on, we'll make it mobile. You'll need to compete on UX, conversions, and strategy. Finally, I tried a team section. It broke. I hit fix. It broke again. A few rounds later, I got a UI to add team members, but uploading an image crashed it again. And this is the catch. Telex will absolutely wipe out quick $100 brochure sites, but it'll also generate half-finished blocks, errors, and messy code. Clients will overuse it, generate too many pages, and end up with something worse than plugin bloat, AI bloat. Sites stuffed with generated blocks, slow performance, and when that happens, web designers and developers will be the ones called in to clean it up, optimize it, and make it production ready. So here are my predictions. Plugins that only do one thing, finished. Mobile responsiveness, no longer premium, just baseline. And cheap $100 sites, gone, replaced by demand for pros who can take AI output and make it real. Telex is a signal of where WordPress is headed, and AI is going to play a major role in it. This video was brought to you by Airlift, our speed optimization plugin that helps you take your website scores to 90 plus for free. Links in the description.